Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider some of the weapons that are used in traditional Tai Chi Chuan. Maybe that's the double bung or the single bung or the Tai Chi ruler. Perhaps it's the fan. Perhaps it's the spear or the staff. Sword, certainly Tai Chi Jian is a very popular one. Maybe it's a broadsword. Maybe it's a willow leaf broadsword. And the idea is that what we hear when we're learning weapon practices, we're learning all the time that the tool is an extension of the self. And so, okay, there's a lot to be gotten from that. But what if I turned that around and I thought the self is an extension of the weapon? So the Tàijíquán tip of the day is to consider the qualities of the tool, right? So like the fan has this semicircular quality. It has obviously an expanding and contracting quality. It also has great flexibility and combined with great rigidity in the ribs. It also has a sort of single point of union for all the different parts. So anyway, we can go on and on. But the idea is to become inspired by the features, the allowances, the possibilities of the tool, and see the self as an inspiration. So if the fan has everything connected that's movable, but from one point, do I? And what is that one point? If the fan has flexible and stiff in a nice balance, what is that in me, in my body or being? So trying that with the different tools and weapons is really an awful lot of fun. But see if it's true that the self is an extension of the tool and not just the tool being an extension of the self. And play with all the tools. So thanks.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.